The kidneys are vital organs that play a crucial role in maintaining the body's internal environment by acting as filters to clean the blood. Each person typically has 2 kidneys, located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage. Despite their relatively small size, the kidneys perform an essential function by filtering the blood to remove waste products, excess fluids, and toxins, which are then excreted as urine. Blood flows into the kidneys through the renal arteries, and within each kidney the blood is filtered by tiny structures called nephrons. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons, and these are the functional units responsible for the filtration process. Within the nephron, blood enters a small cluster of capillaries, known as the glomerulus, where the filtration process begins. The walls of the glomerulus are selectively permeable, allowing water, salts, glucose, and waste products such as urea to pass through, while larger molecules like proteins and blood cells are retained in the bloodstream. The filtered fluid, now called filtrate, continues its journey through the nephron's tubules. As the filtrate moves through these tubules, the kidneys reabsorb necessary substances like glucose, certain salts, and water back into the bloodstream, ensuring that the body retains vital nutrients and maintains proper hydration levels. What remains in the tubules is concentrated into urine, which is then collected in the kidney's pelvis and eventually passes through the ureters to be stored in the bladder before being excreted from the body. The concentration of urine is tightly regulated by a hormone called antidiuretic hormone, ADH, also known as vasopressin. ADH is produced by the hypothalamus in the brain and released by the pituitary gland. Its primary function is to regulate the amount of water reabsorbed by the kidneys, which directly affects the concentration of urine. When the body is dehydrated, or when there is an increase in blood solute concentration, such as after consuming salty food, the hypothalamus detects this change and signals the pituitary gland to release more ADH into the bloodstream. ADH then travels to the kidneys, where it acts on the collecting ducts of the nephrons, making them more permeable to water. This increased permeability allows more water to be reabsorbed from the filtrate back into the bloodstream, resulting in a smaller volume of more concentrated urine. This process helps conserve water in the body and maintains the balance of fluids and electrolytes. Conversely, when there is an excess of water in the body, the hypothalamus signals the pituitary gland to reduce the release of ADH. With lower levels of ADH, the collecting ducts become less permeable to water, leading to less water being reabsorbed and producing a larger volume of more dilute urine. This helps the body eliminate the excess water and maintain homeostasis. In summary, the kidneys are sophisticated filters that clean the blood by removing waste products and excess substances, while retaining essential nutrients and water. The concentration of urine is controlled by the hormone ADH, which adjusts the amount of water reabsorbed by the kidneys based on the body's hydration status. This intricate system ensures that the body maintains a proper balance of fluids and electrolytes, which is critical for overall health and well-being.